Welcome back, guys. Today is a slightly different video. We're not doing an adventure video or wakeboarding video. We're actually unboxing the Mavic Mini Fly More combo kit. So this drone actually is DJI's smallest drone, and it weighs in at 249 grams. This means that you do not have to register it. It is ready to fly out of the box. So today we are going to show you what is in the Fly More combo. So when we open the box, we have DJI Mavic Mini case. I'm assuming the drone's in here. And we have a box, another box, and another box. So we'll set that aside. We're gonna look at this first box, this big box first. Okay, so these are the Propeller Guards for the Mavic Mini. These just protect your propellers from hitting anything while you're flying. Block for the wall. And maybe that's it. Maybe. That's it. Just the block. Only the block. Put that aside. This box is instructions. We don't need those. This box is probably the controller or the batteries. Battery 1, battery 2, battery 3. Right. We'll put that aside. So let's open these up. Let's see. These are the batteries. Not too big. Maybe a small drone, so we'll see. We will see. Now, for the case. It's a very nice case. I like it because I like gray. Gray's cool. So when we open it up, we got a couple things. Let's go with the drone itself first. This is DJI's Mavic Mini, as you might have known. Okay. I believe you fold the front propellers out first. Yes. And then the rear propellers. Oh, it's got a little piece of tape. Aha. There's a barcode on it. Save that. And then you fold the rear propellers out. And this is the size of the DJI Mavic Mini. What? So small. I don't know, this is my first drone. You know? So this is where the batteries go, right here. We'll take one out. We'll see how it goes. So the writing goes up. It goes in there like that. And you shut the door. So I think this is just a cover as you just yeah, and then the camera's right there. The camera. This is just a protective lens. You put it back in the bag, etc., etc. It goes on like this. Snaps the top, and then the bottom. Ta-da! So that's the drone. This is propellers. Next in the case is probably the controller. Yes, so this is DJI's controller for the Mavic Mini. It has a small sticker with the instructions on it, whatever. I believe it folds out like this. And then these rotate up or down, out or something. Yeah, like that. So this is the controller. Your phone goes right here. I'm pretty sure you gotta take the case off. Okay, so to power it on, you have to click it and then click and hold it. So you gotta do 2 clicks. And the thumbsticks, or the joysticks, they're right here. Just pop these out. And then you screw them in, I think. Yeah. Yes, sir. Then you're ready to fly your little drone, you know. Uh-oh, what is going on? Not sure how you turn it off, but it's something with the power button, obviously. And next, we have so this is actually the battery charger. I believe you put each one in here and it charges all 3. So I've read that it will charge the most charged one first. So say this one's at 50% and this one's at 3%. It's going to charge the 50% up to 100 first so that you can put it back in your drone and get to flying some more. After that one's charged or removed, then it'll start charging the dead one. All 3 of them can fit in here. Like so. And then you plug it in, I'm assuming, with this. So in this little box, it comes with a small screwdriver, a micro USB cable, for I think charging the drone maybe. No, it's for charging. The micro USB is for charging the actual batteries in the battery hub or the charging hub. Plug it in the wall, and you can actually, so there's a USB-A port, so you can actually charge your phone or your remote when you're out flying through this USB-A port. So it acts as a battery pack, literally. And in the next package, we have another micro USB. Awesome. And then we got some extra thumbsticks, joysticks, sticks. So these are the different cables provided by DJI. A USB-C, a micro USB, and a lightning charger. These are to connect the remote, your control, to your phone so that you can see where you're flying. These will come in handy. I will be using the lightning one because iPhone's is the way to go, maybe. I don't know. For any of you Android users, comment down below. Yes, sir. Oh, and while you're doing that, hit that subscribe and like button. You know why? Because this is the best thing you'll do today. So in this box, we have more blades because we're gonna be wrecking this thing, probably. My first drone ever. We got more blades. So, and I think that is it. So we will do a Oh, there's screws in here too. Okay, good. You have the case, the drone, the remote, the propeller protectors, the 3 batteries, and the charging hub, screwdriver, some extra propellers, all the cables you need to hook up your phone to the controller, the charging cables, and some extra thumbsticks for the controller. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video. I'll be coming out with some more because we got some more goodies coming along. You'll see us in the next video. Thanks. Hit that like and subscribe button once again. Have a good day.